here. No. Okay. Okay, we're in. Look at this. Original hardwood floor. The dance floor, I guess. Coliseum. Look at this. Huh? The Coliseum. I guess this is the back of the bar. The Coliseum. Oh, the floor is really soft. That just freaked me out. Look at the old chimney. That's cool. That is cool. I was never ever in this place, so I don't really know much about it at all, but that's cool. The other side of the fireplace. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. Somebody bashed that up. That's a shame. There's another bar. Man, this place was full of bars. Bars, 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 more bars. Boy, if I'm not careful, I'm gonna get lost in this place. Look at this. That's crazy cool. That is crazy cool. Oh, there's one of the bathrooms. You know what I'd love to find is like a piece of paper that says like some sort of band appearing or somebody here. Some sort of paraphernalia, but I'm not finding anything. Where is this? The DJ booth? My guess? Yeah, this must be like a DJ booth. Man, no money. I bet there's money on the ground. I bet there's money somewhere. But it's probably old clad money, nothing old. No quarters, nickels, dimes, anything, nothing like that, huh? There's an old pack of Marlboros. Alright, let's go upstairs. This should be interesting. I don't know how much farther. It looks like that's it on this side of the building. It's little mirrors. Yeah. Alright, so let's go. Let's go up those stairs and take a look. See what's going on up there. This should be interesting. Yeah, look at this. We got a stairwell here. This is freaky, huh? We got no lights. This place is dark. Oh my gosh, it's got 3 floors. Who would have guessed? Let's go up. Let's go all the way to the top floor. Let's go see what's going on up here. Wow, I wonder what went on up here when this place was open. If this was a hotel, I'll have to ask people, but I wonder. What is this? Oh, look, a bar order. That's funny. A bar order. There's a couple of me on the floor. That's interesting. Oh, look. Sorry, I'm getting my hand on it. Look at that. Beer poster. What do we got here? Oh rotten bad. There are some major holes. Wow. Look at this. The whole bathroom. Oops, let's get some focus going on here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Here's the sink. Double spigots. Boy. Not much. Oh wow, look at this old refrigerator. I almost walked past. Look at that one, huh? Should we open it? Maybe there's some heads inside. Hot Point. Frozen foods. I'm not even gonna open up the freezer because I don't even want to know what's in there. Pretty high up there. 3rd floor. Ah, look. Cocaine! That's probably what was going on up here. The coke parties. Oh my gosh, there's another floor. We gotta go up all the way. Look at this. Wow, this floor is pretty soft. I'm gonna be very gentle where I step. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a 4th floor. Holy cow. This is crazy cool. Look at these floors. Look at these floors. Oh, it's the attic. Check it out. Oh, look. What do we got? Any old paraphernalia? What is this stuff? Anything cool here? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Look at this. Bar mitzvah. Bar mitzvah books. Thought that was a painting for a second. Oh man, it looks like the raccoons have been living up here. There's some poop. There's some serious poop going on up here. Blah! All right, we get out of here. There's probably raccoons in there. Don't want nothing to do with them guys. Those guys. What does this say? The Untouchables. A1 Suite, The Untouchables. Uh-huh. 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 Wow. This place is amazingly damp. Look at this. This is crazy. Somebody was actually probably living up here at one time in this attic. This is insane. Yeah, there's a bathroom for you. Somebody was up here. This is, oh, nice sized room actually. Painted a very nice shade of blue. What did it say? Hooter 85, and for whatever reason they didn't paint over that. Alright, so let's just move on out of here. This is just too much up here. Too much filth. Man, imagine coming up and down these stairs all the time. This is insane. Oh, look. There's a CPI sign right there. Torn. Ah, that would have been great. Look at this. Grand opening Hampton summer. Saturday something live. That's exactly what I was looking for too. That stinks. Oh well. That stinks. Wow, this place is huge. Huge. What do we got here? Anything? Just junk? What do we got? Junk? Nothing for CPI? Nope, just junk. Okay. Man, I wish that poster was good. That would have been perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Oh man, that's terrible. Oh well. Well, let's just keep looking here. What do we we got here? Anything on the shelves? No, this place is stripped clean. There isn't a speck of anything in this place. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Pink Floyd on the wall. That's awesome. That is awesome, awesome. Oh, man. I can't believe there's no artifact. Look at that window. I can't believe there are no artifacts here at all. Somebody's really gone through this place. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this window. How cool is that? That's awesome. But still, no artifacts anywhere. Oh, look at this. Look at this medicine cabinet. Look at that. Look at the paint peeling on it. That's cool. Look at that. Look at that. That's very cool. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm whispering like somebody's going to hear me, but I want you to see something. Look at this hallway. That is absolutely freaking... Look how freaking scary this hallway is. Can you imagine? I can't even imagine. Look at this. Closets, closets, doors. There's just so much going on here. Whole pack of cigarettes. Not that old, but old enough. Out of here. Hold on a second, I'm gonna pull the sign out. What does this say? Happy 23rd birthday, Richie Rochelle Dudette. Rochelle Dudette. That's cool. Happy 23rd birthday, Rachel, Rochelle, or however you say it. That's cool. Like the trees coming in. Trees are coming in. Like the crawl space, does it? That's where you went if you were a bad kid. They put you in there. Bathtub. Yeah. Another crawl space. Yeah, it's crazy. There's a lot of rooms in this place, boy. Jesus. Somebody's wrote something there. The hardwood floors just blow me away. Thought I saw a coin there. I'm always looking. Oh, there's I'm not going anywhere in that. There's probably raccoons up there. The bathtub, toilet. Another blue room. Oh, we got sex. Oh, Lord. Art and Bree were here. Art and Bree. Art and Bree. Oh, look at this. I got a little shower here. Look at this. I wonder if there's anybody hiding in there. You're like Psycho. Alright, well, there you go. That's pretty much it. I'm going to go down this way because I didn't come up this way. So let's go down this way and see what's on this side of the building. I don't even know what floor I'm on anymore. I think this is the second floor. Yeah, look at the tile walls. All tile. Hardwood floors and tile. Brick walls, I guess you could say brick. It's pretty cool, huh? Cross. It's not just a piece of cut wood. Ah, so here you go. Finally, a kitchen. Something I didn't even think about until just walking in here. There is a kitchen here. Wow. I'm not opening any cabinets. No, sir. Oh, look, a whisker. Oh. Look at that, there's an OBI East sign. What's left of the OBI East sign? That's cool. Wow, kind of cool. It's too bad it's all busted up. Look at these floors, are completely soaked and rotten. Very, very, very unsafe. Great. Right, that's what I didn't want. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Shit. Okay. Let's go this way. There's cabin number 2 up there, cabin number 3, cabin number 4. But this property dates to the 1700s. I know the house is old, 1700s, I'm not 100% sure, but... Well, here's a true heartbreaker. J. Boardman and Company, New York, mineral waters. This bottle is never sold with a cool star on it. Yeah, that's a true heartbreaker. It's a serious, you can see the color, it's a seriously beautiful blue. I'm taking it home anyhow, I don't care if it's broken or not. This is just too nice not to take home. The neck is missing on it, and I really don't care, because look at that blue. I'm gonna wash it up. This is gonna be awesome on the shelf. I mean on the windowsill with the sun coming through it. That's cool. Look at that blue. Yeah, that's cool.